Stairs are all right. I could see it being terrifying if they were wet. This is a real adventure. That was exciting. Oh boy. Okay. Keep it low. Yep. Hiking boots would have been great. Yep. Yeah, wait for me to get down a bit further so I don't pull the rope. Good job, baby.
Ew, it's in my toes.
Wow. What?
So windy, but I'm like tidy.
Yeah.
There's a high point right here.
What the heck? Wow. We're soaked. Like we went under that waterfall. What do you think now?
Just think how good that coffee's gonna taste.
Okay. Oh. Toilet paper is probably wet.
Nope.
Hopefully this rain cover is good. Is that really the way? It's an infinity pool. It's a natural infinity pool. I don't know if we have much choice. Yeah, I think that's how we go down. You're doing great. Take your time. Oh, deep spot. Oh, that's to my knees. Holy. Woo! Got another one here. Crazy. There's a little hut up here. Like there would have been people to like charge us money or sell us drinks or whatever, but because it's off season or for some reason, we haven't seen a single other person, and this hut's all like empty for now. And last river crossing. Oh, there's another person. So we just took a 45-minute like regular van drive from our hotel. They came and picked us up, drove about 45 minutes, and now we're at a little stop off where we're going to switch over to our Jeep and take about a 2-hour drive from here to the top of Bromo. Yeah, heck yeah. Hello.
Oh,
This is ours. Yeah, this is us.
Look at that.
Service to the door.